guys. Today we're going to New York to Port Authority, but tingnan niyo naman ang weather. Nag-i-snow guys, ayun o. Maganda. Nag-i-snow. Pero yun nga, ang hirap kasi delikado to dahil dahil masyadong malamig. So, bago ako umalis, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, chinek ko na yung schedule ko. Ang nakita ko lang naman doon is sunny, then cloudy, then hindi naman siya uulan at hindi rin mag-i-snow. But bad thing is ito nag-snow. Good and bad. Good kasi ang ganda, nakikita mo lahat yung snow. Pero yung bad is masyadong malamig. Pero ngayon hindi na masobra kasi nagulat ako walang hangin eh. Kasi minsan pag may hangin masyadong mahirap yun. Gusto tapos malamig kasi may hangin pa. So ngayon wala naman. So binigyan tayo ni Lord ng medyo okay na weather kasi dinasal ko ito. Sana masyadong malamig. And ngayong hapon, mag-ano naman siya, susubside naman, hindi naman nag-i-snow ng mga 12 noon. So hintayin natin yan. Ngayon, we're just waiting for our bus to arrive. And we are going to the Wessel and we're going to Brooklyn and sa Chinatown. Ayan. Ipinag-isipan din ko ito, no? Yung itinerary ko today dahil medyo malayo ang downtown sa Midtown. May subway naman, check natin, no? Sana maging maayos ang weather, huwag magkaroon ng problem at sana safe tayo at safe din kayo. Kuya nagpapala ng mga snow. Ayan yung snow dito. Hindi naman sobrang kapal, pero sa ibang state daw dati masyado siyang kapal. Ganda ng mga bahay dito. Ayan. So, yun nagpapala sila dyan. Ito yung waiting shed natin. Ayan, nakikita ko na si bus. Nakikita ko na yung bus. Ayun, New York yan guys. Another part of New York. One of the famous structure here in New York, the Wessel. Tagal ko na sana gusto kong puntahan, so ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng chance. And then, ang ganda niya. So, ano siya? Hindi siya sobrang laki, pero malaki siya. Saka ang ganda sa actual. Kaya yung mga there's a lot of tourists here. Ayan, mga napa-picture. Maganda. May ganon? Hindi ko alam gawin yun eh. Labas ng Wessel. Dati nakakaakyat pa daw yung mga tao dito pero ngayon hindi na kasi kami mga suicide, may mga lumulundag dyan. Eh okay na rin na kasi may mga matay, diba? Dahil alam mo naman dito sa Amerika, marami na de-depress. So, ngayon, ayan, wala na halos kung mapasok doon dyan. Kasi sayang nga kasi maganda sana yung umakyat. Tapos makikita natin yung mismo view ng buong New York. Yan. Pero ayan, hindi. Naka-close na siya. Ayan. Ano tayo ngayon sa loob ng mall? Sa tapat ng The Vessel. May celebration dito yung mga Chinese. Iwanan ko sa gabi. Sige, te. Mostly ang nilalagay ko music.
Dumami sa dahil ng taxi.
Dapat na hindi ko dadali. Diyan kami kumain sa Shake Shack. Tala Bakery. Ang mall dito sa Hudson Mall ba to? Hudson Yard. Hudson Yard. Iba pala yung isa yung Hudson Mall. Going to the edge.
This is right after. It's really Hi, ladies. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Just be aware. Right now, the glass floor and seats are closed upstairs. Everything else is open.
Oo. Para tayo nasa ano para ako nasa movie house. Hindi ba tayo mauuntog?
the miscellaneous coming whole world in this mishmash. We're really curious. That thing a child has a bunch of
Yung elevator may pa-show. Ano, may pa-pre-show. Ito yung kabaw. Ito yung nabesiya.
Spiral. Ja, den har den danska Maybe this is the best view we will get.
Wow! Grabe oh. Yung buong New York. New York pa to? Buong New York pa to? Anong city yan kaya?
Ayan, ito, New Jersey.
Yung side na yun is New Jersey. Yung buo na yan, te. Tapos ito, sa left. Lahat yan, pati yan.
Pagtawid mo dito, New York na to.
New York to, pagtawid.
Yung
Ito,
kabila
New
nung
Jersey.
river.
Hanggang dito, te? New Jersey pa rin yan?
New Jersey lahat yan.
Lahat yan.
Natatanong mo sa kabila.
Ang laki, no? Laki rin pala New Jersey. Tayo sinusundan na tayo po.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
Wow, very
Hear me out, hear me out.
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa The Edge. And pakita ko sa inyo yung view. So guys, we're here now at The Edge dito sa The Vessel. Dito sa loob ng Hudson Yard Mall. And now, as you can see, ito yung top view from Hudson Yard. And then, ito yung view from below. No, so, yung river na yan, hindi ko na kung anong river yan. Pero ito is connecting to New Jersey. And then, pag tumuloy ka na dito, pag tumawid ka dyan, ito na yung New York. Ayan. Sobrang ganda, sobrang taas. May mga coffee shop sila dyan. So, pag nagugutom ka na, coffee lang. Ayan. So, punta tayo dito sa The Climb. Ano tayo sa door na umiikot kami. Ayan o. So, here is the view guys of The Edge. Ito yung kasi nasa edge na siya pag nagpicture ka doon sa dulo. Yun, doon tayo magpapapicture later. Pero sabi nga ito daw mas mababa pa to. Ang ganda, wow. So ito yung view, kitang-kita yung buong New York and buong New Jersey. Ito, I'm not really sure if this whole side is New Jersey o baka may iba pang area dyan o places. Then ito, as I know, ito talaga yung buong New York. Napakalaki na New York guys. So this ko, wow. So let's take a photo. Pero sa nakaka-cute. So dito lang tayo guys. Ba't ganun? Para ako nabibingi-bingi. So okay. If you just follow all the rules nila and then kung saan yung entrance, and then makikita mo naman pagpasok mo na entrance, may mga shows doon sa mga walls, like yung mga trains and yung mga sustainability like sa water, rain, and yung mga trees, yan, ano yung maganda, no? Kasi nagulat ako kasi akala ko wala na meron parang mga ganong paano sila, pa-eme. Meron pala sila doon ng mga pa-show. Lalo na nung nagpunta kami sa loob na elevator, nakita nyo naman kanina is merong show sa loob na elevator. Is napakaganda kasi para siyang drawing and architectural buildings yung drawing na nandun. So, nakaka-relate. Ito, maraming mga tourists because the last time we went here is sobrang dami ng tao. So, na medyo accessible. Hindi ganun kadami, oh. This morning is, ang hirap din pumunta dahil may snow since madaling araw na 2 AM hanggang sa umalis ako ng bahay which is 9 AM yun. Nang snow kaya tapos may sunny pa, may sun na, so nakakakuha na tayo ng photos. And then yung lamig hindi ganun kalamig, which is good kasi nagdasal ko, please God give us good weather today so we could take photos, we could enjoy our day today. Nakasama ko si Ate Wena, shout out to you Ate, thank you so much for this, sobrang ganda. Wow. So pero alanganin nga ako nung una kasi parang ay kailangan ko kumunta rin, pero yes guys, you have to be here. And I think maganda rin dito pag nandito ka kapag pag afternoon, kasi right now is kaya ang aga, no? Nasa tanghaling tapat tayo, is now 12:30 kasi kaya naman maaga is yung schedule namin na pinili is today, which is nire-schedule na. And then ate, kukuha ako ng video for vlog lang. And then nakuha namin is tanghali. So, I think pwede naman ito ilutin sa susunod. Ulitin sa susunod. And then, siguro yung afternoon or yung gabi. Pero I think for sure maraming tao nun. Pero, ayan. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Pero, It's worth the wait. It's worth the payment. Kaya shout out to you, te. Thank you. So, libre. Nilibre niya ako dito. Wow.
Diyos ko, nangunganganog yung tuhod ko.
Hawak-hawak. Hawak-hawak.
Hindi ka naman mahulog.
Parang tanga lang, no? Grabe, nakakalula. Guys, oh. Ayan, kahit na alam mo hindi ka naman mahuhulo dyan kasi may glass, nakakatakot pa rin umabak dyan kasi nakakalula. Grabe. Grabe. So, maraming tourist dito. Ayan, oh. So, ayan, may mga security rin. Kahit ako taas. Ganyan ni Kuya, oh. Naglilinis, oh. Wala siyang kakaba-kaba. Wow. Sana all matapa. Tayo galing kanina. Yan. Guys, so this is the glass platform or the glass floor where you can see the view below the building, below the tower. If you're afraid of heights, do not attempt to step on this glass. There's a lot of barriers and it's not allowed to touch the glass because right now it's very snowy. There's snow flakes. So, yeah. So this is the tower of the Empire State Building, and this is the Chrysler Building, and the Vanderbilt Tower, and Summit Tower, and yung mga iba pang building. Wow, so ang ganda.
Madison Square?
Asan
Madison Square? No.
Ay?
I don't know, ha? Ay, hindi yata, hindi.
The view, doon kami nang galing. We're here at the shop of the Edge. Yeah. Selling a lot of stuffs here like jacket, t-shirts, cups, mugs, and so on. So have like eco bags, mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, cups, displays. And what I love is this Hudson Yard New York mug. Edge mug, New York Edge mug. And also they also have this bar area here. If you want to chill out, this is the place, the area that you may consider. And kapag naman nandito ka, makikita mo rin naman itong view na to, ito. So, what I observed in this tower is all around the tower, all around the building is made glass. It's full of glass. So, you can see the view outside from here at the edge. Kaya ito yung, kumbaga, yung binabayaran dito is yung view. So, it's really worth the price. Totoo lang. It's kinda expensive. I will just put the price in the description so you can just follow, and you can also check their website and their official website so you can check the rates and the time, especially the time schedule that you need kasi the tourists here, guys, is very unpredictable. There are times na marami. Like the last time that I went here, this actually pupunta namin ngayon is ano na, reschedule na to. So, kumbaga, ano na yan eh. Kasi it is kasi last time we cannot proceed because we don't have extra time that time. So now we're here, exploring. Now, tapos na rin naman kami. So, it's the shops, and then this, I think, the exit part. Edge NYC. Here. So, meron silang may album dito. Oh. You can buy the digital or 2 prints for $33 or $36. This is the photo wall. This is the photo area. Kanina sa entrance pinicture nila kami. Matic yon. So, merong mga digital copy, or you can also request for print, but it will cost you like $33 to $36. So they will email you if digital, and then you will get the print out, which is 2 pieces of print out. And yan, ito yung area na yan. Optional naman to, pwede mo naman kunin, pwede din naman hindi. So ito yun. So much better kuha ka na para may souvenir. It's the shop dito sa below Yadson, dito sa below the edge. Ito sa loob rin ng Hudson Yard, and I found this book, which is the ultimate sticker book. Ang cute nito, like Air Jordan, no? Tapos ito yung loob niya, featuring different kinds of shoes, Nike, Jordan, New Balance, Adidas. And this book is okay for gift, ano yun, NMD, ano, parang masarap niya pang regalo sa mga sneakerhead. Cute. Wow.